All right, today we're doing a walkthrough tour of PC Fireworks Plus. It's the best, the cheapest fireworks you can get in Bay County, Florida. And we're going to do a little walkthrough now. See what kind of goodies they have today. Right. All kinds of novelties. Fuse, they even have fuse so you can hook your fireworks together and make one big display. Oh my goodness. All kinds of novelties. Novelties. Oh, buzz bombs. Love these things. Love these buzz bangs. These are some great helicopters. They go up, they make a loud explosion when they go off. Wow. Good lordy. Crackle balls. Everybody likes those. Poop. Gotta have poop emojis. What do we have? All right. Variety packs here. All right, let's see what's over here. Roman candles, lots of Roman candles. Overlords, they got the big ones, big dogs. These are really nice. I've used these. These are like huge fountains and explosions and fireballs. Wow. More assortment packs. Overkills, those are really nice. Big rockets. Big rockets. Wow.
Yeah. It's either $369 or $389.
Oh my goodness. This is crazy, all the fireworks they have here. Rockets. Bottle rockets, firecrackers. More bottle rockets. Wow, more rockets too. Rocket assortments. Silver salutes. M200 salutes, silver salutes. Got it all. Wow, look at all the cakes. 500-gram cakes, 200-gram cakes, tons of cakes. Unbelievable. I haven't even tried half of these cakes. These are some new ones here I haven't seen before. The old redneck baby. Flush it. Even got the unicorns and the skull fireworks. Ah, look. Okay. It's a girl. It's a boy. That's awesome. Got everything you need right here. Gender reveal. Every one of the gender reveal products I can think of. Oh, right, the AK-47. Kids love these. Kids love these. Jiffy Pop. All right, they even got the snub nose artillery, the little one. The little mortars. Look at that. That's great. Mortars, and more mortars. Artillery shell, at-ball, festival balls, blaster bombs. All right, those are great. 4-inch canister shells. What else do we have? Hellcat cans. Good Lord. 5-inch canister shells. Venom Artillery. That's a great one. That go in the ear. Those things are loud, and they go way up there. Black Widows. Mind to Break. All right. They have the Nishiki Willows. They've got it all. Heavyweight 5-inch mortar. 6-inch shells. These are awesome. Make it pop. 6-inch shells. Those things are huge. More mortars. Look at these cans over here. All right, some more 6-inch. The Black Widow Mind to Break. They are awesome. Maximum Impact. Wow. They got the Punisher too. Cakes. More cakes. Finales. Trump Task. Too many to mention. There are just so many here. Wow. Route 66 fireworks. Unbelievable. The 2-minute finale. That's a great one for finishing up. Unbelievable. There's the good old fake news. We're all used to seeing that on TV. Wow, 3-inch cowboy fight. More Nishikis. Whoa. The Brothers, that is huge. The Cosmic Crossfire. Unbelievable. Oh, we've got more over here. More cakes. Bump Bear, Big Shark, Little Badass, Bulldogs, all the good ones. Super Stallion. There's the Evil Clown. That one's pretty awesome. If you have any questions, the owners here are very knowledgeable. They can help you out, get you set up with the best fireworks display, one that'll make your neighbors jealous. Neighbors will put their fireworks down and come on over and start watching yours. Saturn Missiles, gotta love them. Look, the 200 shot, 100 shot, 300 shot Saturn missile. Mobile Menace. Unreal. Bling Bling. Revenge. Battle Eagle, all the good ones. Widowmaker. Fish Food. Suspended Animation. It's like they've restocked some of the items. They've been selling out a lot, but they've restocked pretty much everything. A few blank spaces here and there where they've had to reorder. What else? More rockets. More rockets. Wow. That's crazy, the amount of fireworks in this place. And the prices are unbelievably low compared to... Look, they even sell furniture. Oh man, furniture. They have some hardware items. Unbelievable. A little bit of household items. Wow. Knives. Look, pair of shoes. Flashlights. Clothing. Decorations. 4th of July decorations. Look at that. And look at the furniture. Nice outdoor furniture. Unbelievable. Look at that wicker set. You've got the love seat, all with cushions. Rocking chair. Wow. Look at this grill, a KitchenAid grill. 4-burner, that is awesome. Look, tobacco, daggone, they got cigarettes. Cigarettes. Other tobacco products. They got the dip, they've got everything. They even have a drive-through window. I forgot to show you that sign outside for the drive-through window. Sodas, in case you get thirsty while you're walking around in here shopping. A little bit of everything. Oh, look, I missed this. They even have umbrellas for your tables, patio umbrellas. Something else I forgot to show you so you don't get tired carrying them around, loading up your arms. They even have shopping carts, enough of them to take care of all the customers. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Well, that's about it. Oh, wait a minute. We've got some jewelry. Just never ends. Look at that. Pretty much everything you could ask for and more. Wow. Well, we're about to exit here now, so this is a pretty nice tour. You've got to come to this place. You can't pass this one up. This is the best place to get your 4th of July items. You're right across from the Family Dollar, and it's right across from Joysticks and Piggly Wiggly, right in 231 in Fountain, Florida. Alrighty, have a good one.